Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 18 Trigonometrical ratio of standard angles. Now, look at here the chart. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Value of sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 upon 2, sin 45 1 upon root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, cos 60 1 upon 2, cos 90 0. Tan 0 degree 0, tan 30 degree 1 upon root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 not defined. Cot 0 degree not defined, cot 30 degree root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 degree 1 upon root 3, cot 90 0, sec 0 degree 1, sec 30 degree 2 by root 3, sec 45 root 2, sec 60 2, and sec 90 not defined. Cosec 0 degree not defined, cosec 32, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 60 2 upon root 3, and cosec 90 is 1. Now look at here how to learn this table. First of all, you know that value of cos 0 degree is 0, cos 30 degree 1 upon 2, cos sin 45 1 upon root 2, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Look at here, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, and 0 right here. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, and here is 0. Look at here, 2 like this. Okay. Now, tan is sin 0 upon cos 0. Sin upon cos is called a tan. So 0 upon 1 is value is 0. Value is 0. Now 1 upon 2 root 3 by 2. Denominator 2 cancel. Now numerator is 1 and denominator is root 2. 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 cancel out both. 1. 2 denominator is cancelled. Now result is only root 3. Here is 1 upon 0. Any number upon 0 is called infinity, or also called not defined. Not defined. Okay, children, look at here. Cot 0 degree not defined. 1 upon root 3, reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3, because tan and cot both are reciprocal of them. Here 1 root 3, 1 upon root 3, and this is 0. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. 0 means not defined here. Not defined. 1 upon 2, now result is 2. 1 upon root 2, result is root 2. Root 3 by 2, result is 2 by root 3. And 1 is right here 1. And here is also 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and here is not defined. This is your table, most important table. If your table are not learned, now question is not solved. Okay, children? Start to the exercise 18.1. Look at here, exercise 18.1. Your first question is find the value of 7 sin 60 cos 60. Value of sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Now denominator 2 multiply by 4 and numerator 7 into root 3 into 1 is 7 root 3 upon 4. This is your answer. Now second part, look at the second part. What is the second part? 3 sine square 45 plus 2 cos square 60. 2 cos square 60. Look at here. Sin 45, value of sin 40 is 1 upon root 2 का whole of square. Value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2 का whole of square. Now 1 upon root 2 का square is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 का whole square is 1 upon 4. Here is 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4. Result is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Both are here 2. Now denominator is 2. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 upon 2 is equal to, result is 2. Answer. Now look at the question 3. Sin 60 upon cos square 45. 3, 10, 30 plus 5 cos 90. Okay children, look at here square. Now putting the values, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Now cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 का whole of square minus 3 10 30. The value of 10 30 is 1 upon root 3. Value of cos 90 is 0 put here. Now root 3 upon 2. Now 1 upon root 2 का whole square is 1 upon 2. Here is 3 upon root 3 plus 0. 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Look at here, denominator 2 cancel out. Result is root 3. Now multiply numerator and denominator is root 3. Numerator and denominator root 3. Root 3 minus 3 root 3 upon 3. 3 cancel out. Now root 3 minus root 3 result comes to 0 is the answer. Find the value of under root 1 minus cos square 30 upon 1 minus sin square 30. Put here the values of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 का whole of square. Value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2 का whole of square. Now 1 minus 3 upon 4. Here 1 minus 1 upon 4. This is your the square root like here. Now taking the LCM, 4 minus 3 upon 4. In denominator 4 minus 1 upon 4. Right here the square root. Now denominator 4 is cancelled. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 1 3. Now result is 1 upon root 3 is the answer of the question. Question number 11. If 2 theta is an acute angle and 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3, find the value of theta. Look at here, given 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. Now sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. Now value of sin root 3 upon 2 in terms of sin is sin 60 degree. Now 2 theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 upon 2 is equal to 30 degree. Answer. Question number 12. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta is equal to cos theta, find the value of theta. Find the value of theta and hence find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. How to solve? Look at here. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now dividing both the cos theta here, LHS and RHS. Sin theta upon cos theta. Now cos theta upon cos theta. Here sin by cos is equal to tan theta is equal to 1. Now tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. Value of theta is equal to 45 degree. Now putting the values of theta, 2 into tan square 45 plus sin square 45 minus 1. We know that value of tan 45 is 1 and sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 का whole of square minus 1. Now 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 plus half minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus half is equal to 3 by 2 is the answer. If 3 theta is an acute angle, solve the following equation for theta. 2 sine 3 theta is equal to root 3. Now sine 3 theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. Value of sine 3 theta is equal to sine 60 degree. 3 theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 upon 3. Theta is equal to 20 degree. This is your answer. Question number 15. Tan 3x equal to sine 45 cos 45 plus sine 30 degree. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now look at here. Tan 3x. Value of sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. And sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 is 1 upon 2. Half plus half is equal to 1. Tan 3x is equal to 1. Now tan 3x is equal to tan 45 degree. 3x is equal to 45. Now x is equal to 45 upon 3. X is equal to 15 degree is the answer of. Look at the question number 17. Sec theta is equal to cosec theta. Find the value of theta. Now here convert sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1. Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. Value of theta is equal to 45 degree is the answer. Now question number 18. If sin 3x is equal to 1, find the value of sin x, cos 2x and tan square x minus sec square x. Look at here. Sin 3x is equal to 1. Sin 3x is equal to sin 90 degree. Now 3x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 upon 3. Now x is equal to 30 degree. Finding the value of sin x, first point is sin x. Right here putting the value of sin x. Sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. And second part is cos 2x. Second part is cos 2x. Again putting the value of x. 2 into 30. Cos 60 degree. Value of cos 60 degree is also a 1 upon 2. Now third part. Third part is tan square x minus sec square x. Tan square x minus sec square x. Tan square x minus sec square x. Putting the value of x. Tan square 30 minus sec square 30. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 का whole of square. Value of sec 62 by root 3 का whole of square. Now 1 upon root 3 square 1 upon 3 and right here minus 4 by 3. Taking LCM 3. 1 minus 4. Here is minus 3 upon 3 is equal to minus 1 answer. Answer is minus 1. Okay children. Now look at the question number 21. Sin a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to cos a minus b. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. Look at here. Sin a plus b is equal to root 3 upon 2. Now sin a plus b is equal to sin 60 degree. Value of a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Write here the equation 1. And cos a minus b equal to root 3 by 2. Right here cos a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2. Again cos a minus b is equal to cos 30 degree. A minus b is 30 degree. Write the equation 2. Now by adding equation 1 and 2, by adding equation 1 and 2, a plus b is equal to 60 degree, a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now add here, b cancel. Now here is 2a is equal to 90 degree. A is 90 upon 2, a is 45 degree. Putting the value of a in equation 1, putting the value of a in equation 1, a plus b is equal to 60. Put here the value 45 plus b is equal to 60. Now b is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degree answer. Okay children, it's over.